Hello everyone. In previous video we have discussed about how to do form validation using template driven approach. This is continuation of previous video. In this video we are going to demonstrate how to do a form validation with a custom error message in the template driven approach. Okay, let me go through what we have done till now. Okay, so go to our page. If you look at our page, we have four fields: name, username, and gender, and location. So what we done it, we have applied a validation. So what are the validation we applied? For name, we have applied a required validator, and we look for username, we have applied a required and email. But when it comes to application level, and we are not providing any kind of input to the user. Okay, the user will not understand what kind of data is required. For example, name, we are given it. So if I give any name, for example, if I given it goes out. When it comes to username, I'm giving it, but still that's the error message still is available. So how the user will understand what kind of input they have to give it? For that we have to say to the user properly. So this is what we require. So this scenario we should say that email format is not valid. So we need a input as an email format. Okay, how can we do that one? So that's what we are going to demonstrate in this video. Okay, let's go to here. So first thing, what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a span tag. Okay, in this span, I'm writing a ngIf. So what I'm going to do, when the name is invalid, the particular form control invalid, and it's a touched, that time only I want to show some error message. Okay, for that what I can do, name dot invalid and name dot touched. Okay, and if you look that we have a required. So if any error, right now we have only one error, right? It's been only one validate. That's it's enough for to here to maintain. But in case if you have multiple, for example, required and email and some other custom validator, if you have that time, if you use this particular error message, for example, what you type it here, for example, name is required. If you type it, this will be shown to every time. So I don't want to do that one. I want to show each and every error. I want to show custom, it's mean different error message to the user to understand. Okay, for this scenario, what we are to do it, let me put one more span and write again one more ngIf condition equal with the name dot errors dot required. If it is required, then you show the name is required, otherwise don't show it. Okay, now if you go to our application, if you touch here and come back, so name is required. Okay, let me change this color of that. For that what I'm going to, let me go to user component.cs. Let me apply class for this one, but let me give a color as red. Okay, let me save it. Let me do the semicolon as well. Let's save it and see it. Let's click on here, come here. So now this looks pretty, okay, to understand what kind of thing is required. So if you give any input, then it goes out. Okay, now same thing we will do for email as well. Before doing that, so you may get doubt how you got this property, what does this property and what is required, right? So let's go here. Let me log this in the console. Since if you look our component.ts, user component.ts, what we done it, we have ng form type, that form itself we are locking it. That's what I want to show you as of now. Let's go to control, go to our name, and if you look, the error is right now is null because we given input data. Let me remove the data. We clear the console. Let me log one more time. Comes to controls, come here, go to our name. You see the errors property is there, and the error property contains required. This is what I just used it over there. When you are new to the application, just log the whole form and try to understand what are the properties are available in. Okay. Next, let's go to our user component.html. Let's do for this one, same for email. Okay, let's copy this one, come here, let's put it here, and staff name, let me replace it as a username, username.errors, and if it is required, then you say that user name is required. In case error, so in case email format, so that time and to show some other error message. For that, what we have to do, just go ahead, instead of required, just change to email and give us provided input, provided email format. So you can give any kind of error message as your wish. Okay, let's go here, let's see it. Let's give it here first name, so I'm giving some name, it's accepted. Second, I'm just giving username is required, let me give it some other name. Now provided input not in the email form, let me provide a email, the error message goes out. Okay, so this is way we can do our, this is way we can show our custom error message to the user to understand what is really required. Okay, and this is what I want to demonstrate in this video. So next video we will learn how to write our custom validation. For example, if you look this particular thing, what we have used inbuilt validation, right? Validator, required, email. In case you want to write a custom validator, how to do that, right? There is a scenario, it can be what are the inbuilt validator they provide, it's not suits for your service, or it's not suits for your application. So that time what we have to write our custom validator, right? So next we will discuss about how to do that. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Thank you.